Scene 2. David Keach in court. In the court, we can see Judge Timms, Keach, Barker, Reynolds, Richard and Mary. There are 6 women and 6 men behind Keach. They are from the village and they are watching the trial. Judge Timms is in a big chair in front of the court.
My name is Oliver Barker, and I speak for Richard Little here today.
Judge Timms, I speak for David Keach here today. My name is Philip Reynolds.
That Keach took the boy's money. You can see it in his face.
Oh, Lil, we must listen to Oliver Barker and Philip Reynolds first.
Keach is the boy Tom's father now.
A good father doesn't take his son's money and build a new house with it.
Be quiet in my court.
Sorry.
Oliver Barker, you can begin.
Judge Timms, before James Heston died, he said this to Richard Little. He said, "My boy gets my money at 21 and not before."
At 21 and not before.
Yes, Judge. But Keach has this money now. The boy's money. He is building a big house with it. We all know that.
Put Keach in prison, I say.
5 years.
No, 10.
You don't eat in my court. Philip Reynolds, speak.
Judge Timms, yes, there is a house in a village near here, and yes, it is Keach's house, but the money for it is not young Tom's money.
Not Tom's money.
No, Judge Timms, it is David Keach's money.
So one day, Keach is not rich, and the next day, he is rich. He has money for a house.
Call David Keach. David Keach, where is the boy Tom's money? Do you have it at home? No.
Keach took the money. It was Keach.
I said Keach took the money. I said that yesterday.
I have the money here, in this court.
The money's here.
Keach didn't.
What, in
Never.
this court?
Keach didn't take them out of the house.
In this
Here.
court?
Never.
The money is under my chair. You, woman, bring me the money.
Me?
Yes, you.
Here you are.
Here, Judge Timms. Here, Richard Little. Here, look, everybody. Here is the money. So I didn't take it from the boy. You hear me, Richard Little?
Yes. 1 minute. Richard Little. Yes, Judge Timms? You said Keach took the boy's money. You said that. Why? Why, man? Why? Why say that? Because James Heston came to my home. James Heston said it to me.
James Heston?
Heston?
The ghost
Heston's
name?
dead.
Heston's dead, yes.
Richard Little, James Heston is dead. He died in 1651.
James Heston? Oh, that's a laugh. He's a dead man.
No. Judge Timms, my husband is ill. In our house, he talks to people, and there is nobody there. Can I take him home now, please?
I am not ill. Stop laughing. Be quiet, all of you. Sit down, Mary. Thank you. Yes, James Heston is dead. And yes, James Heston spoke to me. I want James Heston here. Now. He can tell you.
He is ill.
He's mad!
Let's listen to him.
Yes, we can listen to him.
Be quiet. Call James Heston. I say, call James Heston to this court.
Heston is dead, man. And Richard Little is mad.
Call James Heston.
I am James Heston.
Oh,
He's dead!
he's dead.
No! No! Oh, please, no!
It's,
It's
Heston.
Heston.
Ah!
No, I
Oh, I'm
please.
afraid.
Oh, it's Heston.
Is Heston dead?
James Heston, is it you? Did you speak to Richard Little?
Yes.
What did you say?
I told him Keach took my boy's money. And then Keach killed a man in the next village. He was a rich man. Keach took his money. You see the money now, here, in this court.
Yeah! I can't kill Heston. Heston is dead. But you, Richard Little, you brought me to this court. I'm going to kill you next.
Stop him! Stop him!
It was Keach!
Keach took the money!
I said that! I said Keach took the money!
This court says Keach took the money. And Keach killed a man. Now find David Keach and bring him to me.